are, and we're nearly finished with this laundry renovation here. These are extra cupboards on the left that we have put in. We're waiting on this laundry trough to go in. It's a beautiful Caroma Metro ceramic oval shaped laundry trough with a mixer tap, and this is the colour of the cabinets is a Wilson Art colour. We've got washing machine raised off the floor, as you can see, so that's easier to use on your back. Dryer on the top, cupboards all the way to the top, and the cornice wrapping through. And this is new cupboard doors that went on existing cabinets that were already here, but these new doors were fitted because the old ones were pretty cruddy and weren't working very well. So all these new doors are part of the renovation as well, and new internal doors as well. All new internal doors because they were bad and old. So these are going to be painted. Waiting on the painter to start. And this is the old style light switch, which we call an architrave switch, which sometimes it's easier to leave the architrave switch in the architrave than to move it over here, because that causes a lot more expense for an electrician to move it over there, and it's really not a huge issue to leave it in the architrave. So that's where we're up to with this one. As you can see here, as is traditional now these days, all the pipe work for the washing machine now goes direct into the waste that the laundry trough is going to be connected to, and your hot and water taps are hidden underneath the cabinet. No longer do you see taps and pipes and cords and all that on the outside of your washing machine. That's old school. This is how we do it now. Everything hidden in the cabinet behind, and that's what you would expect from a new renovation. You wouldn't be seeing any cords or any pipes.